And it's the IOCCC Best Fractional Emulator.
Now, this is a rational name for an award, a rational emulator.
Okay.
No. Is it complete or only fractional?
Let's see. Well, we'll see. We'll see.
Well, let's bring in the trophy.
And the IOCCC Best Fractional Emulator Award goes to Nick Craig Wood from the United Kingdom.
And here is the code. If we look at this code, we see here that the code has this array of P there with some integers. And a fairly
very first yeah, that reminds me of the very first IOCCC winner. I hope it doesn't jump to this array.
Yes. And it has this rather small C program. So it's a very small main function here. That's it. Excuse me. And so when you run it, it does this. It's sped up a bit there, but you can see you get this basic program, which, by the way, if you actually run that basic program and you have the appropriate characters, it will produce this output. This is a fractal. Is that right, Leo?
No, it's just a maze.
Amazing thing of it. It's a nice maze, and it goes on and on. We stopped here because it goes on for quite some time. We sped it up here for your use. This thing is executing FRACTRAN. I don't know if you want to, Leo, talk about FRACTRAN or something about it. It's a Conway thing.
Yeah, it's John Conway of the Game of Life invented that Turing-complete programming language that only consists of fractions, rational numbers. And the way to do it is and the state of the machine is encoded by an integer, and the executing a command is finding the first fraction that's when multiplied by that integer produces an integer, multiply by that, and go to the beginning again. And the program stops if there is no such fraction that results in an integer. And the output of the program can be taken when the current integer is a particular value, like a power of 2, for example.
Yes. So what you saw was that array P went through the fractions, went through that iteration thing as you described, and ended up producing a power of 2 that is then can be applied to turn into the power, turns into the character that you produced to produce that nice maze. So there's a challenge, by the way, and challenge is to create an alternate version of that program that instead prints the string IOCCC29 followed by a new line. So see if you can produce an array.
Write a FRACTRAN program that interprets the actual Commodore 64.
Ooh.
There you go. That's another even more thing. So I would say congratulations, Nick, for your second winning IOCCC entry and second of the IOCCC contest.